The U.S. car market collapse, 2025. What's really going on? Welcome to the cars world. The car market is collapsing, and it's happening faster than anyone expected. Just months ago, showrooms were packed. People rushed to buy cars before Trump's new tariffs kicked in. But that short-lived boom has turned into a disaster. Auto sales have plunged nearly 10%. The sharpest drop in more than a year. Prices are through the roof. Loans are crushing families. And automakers are in trouble. So what's really happening behind the scenes? Let's break it down. Chapter 1. The price trap. Buying a car has never been this hard. The average new car now costs around $50,000. Even a 3-year-old used car costs about $30,000. To make payments work, buyers are signing record-long loans. Nearly 1 in 5 Americans now take out 7-year loans. That's 7 years, just to pay off one car. Monthly payments have jumped to $742 for new cars and $525 for used ones. Interest rates? Brutal. 7% for new vehicles and 12% for used. For subprime borrowers, it's worse. Up to 20% interest in some cases. No wonder loan delinquencies are climbing. Repossessions are ticking up, and more Americans are falling behind every month. Chapter 2. The debt bomb. America's total auto loan debt has exploded. $1.65 trillion and counting. That's now more than total student loan debt. Subprime borrowers are struggling the most. 60-day delinquencies hit over 6%, a level not seen since the 2008 financial crisis. Consumers are stretched thin, and the numbers don't lie. This debt bubble is starting to burst. Chapter 3. Tariffs and the turning point. Then came the real shock. In April, Trump's 25% tariff on imported vehicles went into effect. At the same time, steel and aluminum tariffs doubled to 50%. Prices skyrocketed. A $77,000 SUV now costs almost $20,000 more overnight. In March, car sales soared as buyers scrambled to get in before prices rose. GM reported a 17% jump in sales. But by May, demand fell off a cliff. Imports via sea dropped 72% year over year. Dealer inventories shrank by more than 10%. Ford suspended its earnings forecast. GM froze its stock buyback program. Both companies warned of massive cost increases ahead. Chapter 4. The myth of Buy American. Some say, just buy American. But that's not how today's car market works. Even the Ford F-150, often called the most American truck, is only 32% made in the US or Canada. And the rest? Parts from across the world? And even Tesla, the symbol of American innovation, still depends heavily on batteries and materials from China and South Korea. In reality, no car sold in America is 100% American-made. Every tariff on steel, batteries, or parts raises costs across the board, even for cars built here at home. Chapter 5. The ripple effect. This collapse isn't just about cars. It's a warning sign for the entire U.S. economy. Consumer confidence is near its lowest level in decades. Banks are tightening lending, and automakers are cutting production. Experts predict over 13,000 job losses.